Hi, I'm Timothy, and I'm a third-year student majoring in mechanical engineering here at CU Boulder. Today, we are going to talk about energy. Energy is all around us. We use energy to do everyday actions like walk and talk. Right now, you are using energy to watch this video. Energy powers lights in our appliances. Cells use energy to perform the most basic life processes. Life would not be possible without energy production and consumption. Energy is everywhere. You can hear it, feel it, taste it, and see it. However, it can be difficult to figure out exactly where energy is. Energy can move and change forms, but it cannot be destroyed. Almost all forms of energy can be transformed from one form to another. When you turn on a light bulb, the warmth that radiates out of it is light energy being transformed into heat energy. Whatever form it is in, energy is essentially making something happen, or as engineers put it, doing work. Where do we get our energy? A lot of our energy comes from the sun. We are able to get energy directly from the sun when we use solar panels. However, most of our energy comes from fossil fuels like coal and oil, which got their energy from fossilized plants and other organisms which got their energy directly from the sun through a process called photosynthesis. There are many types of energy, and we categorize them into two different types: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Energy from the sun, wind, and water can be reused, and they are generally cleaner to obtain, which makes them renewable. Coal and oil, on the other hand, are gone when they are used up and pollutes the environment when we obtain energy from it, which makes them non-renewable. As most of our energy comes from non-renewable sources, it is important to know how to save energy so we don't waste energy and we can save our planet Earth one step at a time. When we exit the room, we need to remember to turn off all the lights. When it is sunny out, it is also a good idea to open the windows to get natural sunlight rather than only using artificial lighting. When we commute, it is also a good idea to carpool or take public transport whenever possible to reduce the consumption of fossil fuels. Let's talk more about renewable energy. The three main renewable energy sources are solar power, wind power, and hydropower. Solar panels are set up at massive flat fields, which allows the sun to react with the photovoltaic cells in the solar panels to generate current, which then gives us electricity. Wind and hydropower are generated from the turning of massive turbines. In wind turbines, the long blades catch wind, and the strong force from the wind turns the turbine generator, which generates electricity. In dams, the water down current is strong enough to turn the turbine generator as it is going downstream. Although renewable resources are clean and sustainable, it is often not reliable as it depends solely on the weather conditions. If there is no sun or no wind, there will be no energy generated. Setting up renewable site sources also can impact the environment negatively, as large pieces of land are cleared and deforested to build these sites. And constructing water dams will displace wildlife in the area, as the river is often flooded. As renewable energy is cleaner than non-renewable energy like fossil fuels, engineers know all about energy and are currently designing new and more efficient ways to generate electricity using renewable resources. Engineers are also focusing on finding alternative ways of consuming energy. They are designing cleaner engines that use less fuel and new car designs that run by electric motors. They are also working to make machines smaller and more efficient. These efforts contribute to a better, cleaner planet for all inhabitants. Wouldn't it be great to be an engineer making such an important difference in our lives? Check out the lesson on the Teach Engineering website and then apply what you learned in our associated hands-on activities: wind, water, and solar power.